you need a Namada wallet to start staking your NAM tokens. In this video, we're using keychains. Go to the Namada user interface called Namada and connect your wallet. Go to the Staking tab on the left. In this tab, click the Stake button in the center. Search for the validator that best suits you. We recommend our validator, p2p.org, with a blue heart emoji next to its name. Enter the amount of NAM tokens you are willing to stake. And proceed with the Stake button. Approve the transaction within your wallet, and remember that it might ask you to authenticate it with your password. Your staking transaction is processing right now. You'll get a notification when the process is successful. Congratulations, you've successfully delegated your NAM tokens to our validator. You can see the details on the Namada platform in the My Validators list. Thanks for watching and joining p2p.org.